My dear viewers, now discuss water based on West Bengal Board Class 6 in fill in the blanks. Mainly concept of the water, after then fill in the blanks question answer type discuss. Water, a substance composed of the chemical elements hydrogen and oxygen and existing in gaseous form, that is steam, liquid, that is water, and solid, that is ice state. Okay, it is one of the most plentiful and essential of compounds, a tasteless and odorless liquid at room temperature. Okay, it has the important ability to dissolve many other substances. That is why water is called universal solvent. Now discuss in fill in the blanks. Okay. Now, question number 1. A river is an example of a dash source, that is answer fresh water. Next question, question number 2. The water that flow into rivers, stream, sea and ocean is called runoff water. Okay. Next question, question number 3. A dash is a source of groundwater. Springing. Okay, the answer springing. Next question, question number 4. In glucose solution, glucose is the solute. Okay, solute part in solution. Next question, the is the primary source of water. Rainwater. Rainwater is the primary source of water. Next question, question number 6. The ability of a substance to dissolve in a given liquid is called solubility. Okay, solubility. Next question, question number 7. Acid rain contain oxide of sulfur. Okay. Next question, question number 8. The sudden variation of temperature in water bodies that adversely affects aquatic life is called thermal shock. Thermal shock. Next question. The smaller component present in a solution is called referred to as solute. Okay. Smaller part solute, bigger part, larger part, that is solvent. Okay. Clear? Solute plus solvent form solution. Okay. Question number 10. Water is called the dash solvent. Universal solvent. Water is called the universal solvent. Next question, question number 11. The component present in a solution in a smaller amount is called solute. Okay. Solute. Next question. Question number 12. The level below which soil is saturated with is called the water table. Water table. Next question. The rate of solubility of gases increases with an increase in temperature. Next question. A solution in which no more solute can be dissolved in the solvent at the given temperature is called a dash solute. Saturated solute. Saturated solute. Next question, question number 15. The size of the solute particles. The faster is solubility of the solute in solvent. Smaller. The smaller the size of the solute particle, the faster is solubility of the solute in solvent. Next question. More than dash of the earth's surface is covered with water. Third, two-third. Okay. The more than two-thirds of Earth's surface is covered with water. Next question, question number 17. Dash is needed for drinking, bathing, washing our clothes, and many more functions. Water. Okay, water. Water is the very more essential important substance. Okay. Question number 18. About dash of the total Earth's water is available for use. That is 0.01%. Okay. Next question. Question number 19. Catch water where it falls is the basic idea behind dash harvesting. Rainwater. Okay. Rainwater. Next question. Question number 20. The river get their water from the melting of snow lying on the peak of snow mountain called glacier. Okay, glacier. Okay, next question, question number 21. Region below the ground which is saturated with water is known as water table. Next question, the water cycle is also known as hydrologic cycle. Next question, question number ice, water and dash are the three states of same material, that is gas. Okay, that is gas. Question number question number 23. Ice, water and dash are the three states of same material, that is gas. Ice, water and gas are the same three states of the same material. Next question 25. Sorry, next question. Question number 23. Ice, water and dash are the three states of same material, that is gas. Ice, water and gas are the three states of same material. Next question 24. Water is considered as dash resource on the earth. Renewable. Okay, renewable. Next question, question number 25. Water vapors get continuously added to atmosphere due to evaporation and transpiration. Evaporation and transpiration. Next question 26. The process of conversion of vapors into liquid is known as condensation. Okay, answer, that is answer condensation. Okay, next question. Filling of rain is also called precipitation. The filling of rain is called precipitation. Question number 28. Water drops present on grass during winter morning is called dew. Dew. Next question, question number 29. Ocean act as a dash for large number of plants and animal habitat. Okay. Next question, question number 30. Last of the part for this type question. That is fill in the blanks type question. Okay. Lack of rain causes drought. Okay. My dear viewers, any query, any question, please comment in box. Also, take the PDF of the study material. Please comment in box. Okay. Thank you, my dear viewers.